The European Union insists Australia's first shipment of coronavirus vaccine doses will arrive on time. The federal government is hoping to start rolling out the Pfizer shot later this month, but there had been questions around whether export controls imposed by the EU might affect the timeline. Political reporter Jade McMillan joins us now from Parliament House in Canberra. Jade, g'day. So take us through the background to this and the latest from the ambassador.
Well, Joe, the Pfizer jab was the first COVID-19 vaccine to be approved for use in Australia by the Therapeutic Goods Administration, and the government has hoped that it would be rolled out by the end of this month, but it's always said that that was subject to shipping dates. And there was some concern after the European Union announced last month that it was imposing tighter rules on the export of COVID vaccines from Europe. That decision was made in response to fears that another vaccine manufacturer, AstraZeneca, wasn't going to provide the EU with as many initial doses as it had been expecting, and so it gave itself the power to block shipments from non-EU countries. Dr. Michael Pulch is the EU's ambassador to Australia. He's defended those export controls this morning and insisted that Australia's first shipment of the Pfizer vaccine won't be affected.
Let me say very clearly from the outset, it is not an export ban. It is not an export ban, and it has not targeted Australia or other partner countries and specifically. And I'm very pleased to announce here that these shipments to Australia will arrive on time. My colleagues in Brussels have assured the Australian side that they will work with them on a smooth authorization process.
And so, Jade, what is that expected arrival date?
Well, that's still not clear. The ambassador couldn't give us a date for when that first shipment would be leaving Europe. The federal government isn't making that public either. But we know that once those doses get here, it will be a little bit more time before they're administered, and that's because Australian authorities need to conduct their own testing. The government insists, though, that timeline will be met, that the first Pfizer doses will be rolled out by the end of this month, and as part of that first phase, those doses will go to people including quarantine workers, residents and staff in aged and disability care, and also some frontline healthcare workers as well.
Okay, Jade McMillan there in Canberra.